All right, Bruchim Aboim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn something from my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague. And this week's Parsha is Acharei Kedoshim, and this Sunday is Mother's Day. Parshas Kedoshim says, "Ish imo va'aviv tiro v'sabsoisai tishmaruk ani Hashem Elokeichem." A man should fear his mother and his father and keep my Sabbaths. I'm the Lord thy God. Rashi says, "Kan hiktim aim la'av," that the mother is mentioned before the father in this verse in Leviticus chapter 19 verse 3, as opposed to in the Ten Commandments where the father is mentioned before the mother. Why? We know that a son fears his father more than his mother, but when it comes to honoring, it's in the Ten Commandments in Exodus 20, and it says that when it comes to honoring, the father is mentioned before the mother, because it's revealed before God that a son honors his mother more than his father, that he honors the mother more, because she says nice words to him. So it says the Heilige Gezeid in Maharal Prague, perish it means that a man is not afraid of his mother like he is of his father. So that's why the fear of the mother has to be mentioned first, because you have to strengthen this commandment. Because if a person is not diligent in the commandment on his own, then the scripture has to encourage him. So here the scripture is teaching that you have to be careful with it. But if someone is naturally diligent in a commandment, he doesn't have to be as careful with it because he's going to be naturally careful with it. And that when it says he tries that she tries to encourage him with good words. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.